Hi, my name's Connie from Carlisle Audi. Today I'll be showing you around this brand new RS3 Sportback finished in Python yellow. This RS3 reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 to 3.8 seconds. It comes with a black styling pack, privacy glass, brake calipers in red, as well as a Park Assist Plus, which includes a 360 camera. Here we have the panoramic glass sunroof. This RS3 has darkened matrix LED headlights with dynamic light sequence and dynamic indicator, as well as light and rain sensors. It sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels, finished in black metallic. Here we have a large practical boot space, easily fitting all of your weekly shopping or multiple suitcases. It also has folding down rear seats if more space is needed. In the rear of the cabin we have seating for 3 with this full leather upholstery, as well as a folding down armrest with cup holders and air vents and charging ports for passengers in the rear. A quick glimpse at the front will reveal a stylish cabin with decorative door dash inserts, as well as these RS front seats that are fully electric. Once behind the wheel, you'll be greeted by this 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. This will allow you to control the virtual cockpit, giving you access to phone connection, navigation system and radio, keeping you informed on the go. On this touchscreen we have many features such as radio, so you can listen to your favourite stations on the go, media, allowing connection of other devices to the vehicle, Bluetooth, keeping you in touch with friends and family, sat-nav, which is also available on the digital dashboard. This RS3 also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In car settings we have Audi Drive Select. This is so you can change your drive mode to suit your comfort and needs. This vehicle also comes with front and rear parking sensors, as well as a 360 camera. Here we have 3-zone Deluxe automatic air conditioning with the 2 front heated seats, as well as charging ports for passengers in the front of the vehicle. Thank you for watching this brand new Audi RS3, finished in Python yellow. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.